Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting on a bob, guys. I haven't worn a bob in such a long time, so I'm so excited to put it on this hair of mine, and we're gonna get into it. Now, I'm showing you guys that I cane rolled my hair. As you can see, my hair is not really perfectly cane rolled. It's not the smallest type of cane rolls. You just want to make sure your hair is cane rolled and tucked away so your wig can lay flat and look natural, okay? So I just want to say thank you for Elva Hair to be working on this video with me. So we're going to do unboxing, guys. This is their packaging. Listen, they have like velvet packaging. It's crazy. When I felt this box, I was like, no. This is different. They come in, they give you elastic, they give you a rat tail comb, they give you an info pamphlet and card, and their contact information. They give you a wig cap, and it's like the brown color wig cap. Now the elastic, going back to it, it's to add to the back of your wig to secure it, or you can just use it for your baby hairs if you want your baby hairs to be melted. That's what I'm going to use for. So this is how the wig looks. They sent over a pre-plucked 12-inch bob wig, 120 density, and has bleach knots. That's why I wanted to show you guys. Like, their middle part is bleach, 180 density. Sorry, I said 120. And as you can see, it's the medium brown color. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys that I'm putting on the wig cap on my hair. Hello, how are you? And you just want to go in and do this as well. I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks on my head. It looks so funny. That's why I'm acting like that. I'm going in with my Ebon New York tinted lace. As you guys can see, it's darkening where I'm going to be placing the wig so it can blend into my skin color. Okay, that's what you guys want to do. I bought this lace tint at the beauty supply store for less than $6. So you guys are going to want to make sure that you guys add in your lace spray. But honestly, I did this so that like the wig could like blend into my scalp. Okay, so we have the wig on, and as you can see, I'm putting down the wig. I'm showing how bouncy and how curly the wig is. It's already pre-curled for you guys. We're going to do the styling portion later on in the video, so all of you will be able to see how I style this hair. So as you guys can see, we're going to have to tame down this hairline, and I'm just showing you guys the lace because the lace is nice. And I'm going with my scissors. These are my eyebrow scissors, and I'm going to be cutting off the lace. Now, this was way too easy to do. I don't know what it is. This lace is bomb. I really like this lace a lot. Let's get into the details. Look how nice this looks against my skin. It looks so natural, looks so good. Oh, guys, I'm obsessed with the lace on this wig, and I'm so excited to use this bob. It's so short. 12 inches, period. The lace looks good. All right, so I'm just going back in and showing you guys how the lace looks. Guys, this is without me using any glues to glue down this wig, and I barely put on any lace tint on the actual lace. So I'm going with my Ebon Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray in Extreme Mega Hole Beauty Supply Store. We're going in with my big, huge edge brush. Like, the edge brush is big. I can't find my toothbrush that I use for my edges, so I have to be going in with this, which I got at the beauty supply store. So my niece is just helping me out, and we're just going to frame the face, and we're going to style some baby hairs. Guys, this is the glueless install. I'm only going to keep this in for like a few hours, so this is why I'm not really caring about how strong it holds down my hair. She's going in with the adhesive spray. You can get that at the beauty supply store for less than $10. The most $12 if you want the big size. And I'm just putting that to tame down my baby hairs. Guys, I'm wearing this hairstyle for a few hours in the house, so I'm just like, oh, I don't really care to actually glue it down. But I want to do this video for people who enjoy glueless wig installs, who don't really care for it to be perfect, because we're using it in the house. Now, as you can see, I'm using my lace tint, and I'm just touching up the places that are great on my head, because I'm like, okay, I need this to blend in at least a little bit better. Like, come on now. So I'm going in with my hot comb. You can get it on Amazon for $20. And I'm going to make sure that I'm hot combing the front, the middle, any big, huge, bumpy part that's framing my face, framing my hairline. I'm going with my edge tamer stick at the beauty supply store for $6, maybe $5. And I'm going in, it smells so good. It smells like strawberries. And I'm tearing down all those flyaways, going back in with a hot comb and ensuring that everything is laying flat. Do you hear me? Flat. Because the flatter it looks, the more natural and realistic and more just aesthetically pleasing it is to look at your hair. As you can see, I'm combing out the curls with a big, huge wide tooth comb. I'm not using a small, fine tooth comb, a big, huge wide tooth comb, because we're still maintaining the curls but separating them. So that's what the wide tooth comb is doing. So as you can see, this hair is bouncy, baby. And I'm trying to make it more realistic by showing my ears. So I switched it over to a side part because I was like, listen, I'm not feeling the middle part with all these nice big curls. So we switched it over to a side part, and I'm like, ooh, I'm feeling this more. This is giving me girl. This is giving me seductive. This is giving me, ooh, who is she? So that's why I decided to switch it. We're going back in with the edge tamer, and we're going to make sure we lay down everything. We want the hair to stand up, make it look like it's coming from our scalp. And that's what the edge tamer is assisting us with doing. We're going back in with a hot comb, and we're just styling this baby. Now, let me know down below what you guys think about this bob. Elva Hair. Ooh, this hair is so cute. Like, I cannot believe. I wonder if I could do like another bob like this, but in an even brighter color or a different color. You guys excuse me. I was telling a story and I was just so excited and it was just hilarious. So yeah. So we're going back in. We're just making sure that the hair looks as natural, making it look like it's coming out the scalp. And we're just like tightening everything up. Like, we're just doing the final touches. Let me say that. We're doing the final touches on the bob wig. We're going back in with the lace tint. We're trying to make it look a little bit more natural because it was giving us gray on the camera. It wasn't in real life, but on camera it was giving gray. So I was like, ooh, we cannot be having that. But as you can see, the lace tint, we added more directly onto the lace and it's starting to look better. You guys can't tell me you guys don't like these curls here. Aren't these curls here really nice? We're going back in with a hot comb and we're just ensuring that everything is looking like it's coming scalp. Isn't it giving scalp, guys? You guys can't lie. It looks so much better. Who is she? Annesha Adams. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like this video up and comment down below if you're still watching. Guys, I think I need to start doing more brown hairs, more different hair colors, more hair tones. You guys let me know what you guys think. Should I be doing that? Give this video a thumbs up. I wanted to come closer because I have to show you guys scalp. Remember that they say pre-plucked hair with bleach knots? This hair is actually giving natural. If you guys notice, we didn't even pluck anything on the hairlines because they actually did provide a pre-plucked hairline. And I can agree with that. So all we did is just style it with minimal baby hairs and it just looks really good. As you guys can see, this is my fave. Thank you, Elva Hair, for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to link on the screen other hair videos that I have done. Better ones, not even better ones. I'm just going to link everything. I hope you guys liked this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.